Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen Rodriguez, and today we are doing yet another Luvme Hair review.
So we fade in the rhythm.
All right, you guys, you know the deal. We're going to do a little unboxing to see what we have inside. We, of course, have this Wet and Wavy 20-inch headband wig from Luvme Hair. Y'all know Wet and Wavy is my jam. Inside, we have a nice secure cap, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, and a comb in the back. But the headband is what really keeps it secure. Speaking of headbands, they came with all types of options today. We're going to go ahead and try on a few of my faves, but don't forget to follow me on Instagram, y'all. We are doing a Luvme Hair takeover. It's Jen Rodriguez. Make sure to join to get a good deal for Black Friday. We also came with a wig cap, a beautiful Luvme Hair head wrap, and you can see what else we got inside. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and put this puppy on. I am so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and secure the wig using the combs and the headband. I like to clip my hair up first just to make sure the Velcro doesn't get on the hair. The first headband we're going to try is this beautiful multicolor headband. It matched my sweater perfectly. I love this one. And I tried a new style. So you all let me know what you think with the switch up. All right, y'all, that one was cute. But this camo headband, though, is about to take us there.
Ooh,
okay, let's see about this one. This is cute. Y'all know it's giving me totally Destiny Child vibes right now.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna work harder.
Yes. Thought that you'd be out of my hair. So much better. That's the jam. That's the jam. This is cute. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
To dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real.
Out of the box texture. I did clean it a little. Just kind of ran some conditioner through, you know. Disinfectant, you know. This is super cute, and I'm loving the camo. What do you guys think? Oh, I feel like I need to bring my chair down a little. I need to back it up for this pony. This is cute. Y'all, literally 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minute style, 2 minute style. Like it's 2 seconds just putting up a new style, so I love it. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and slip this off. Let me see if I can just slip it off and let it be. Oh, yes, I can. Oh, with or without, we are looking good. I am all about it. All right, last headband we're going to try on today is this beautiful yellow one. This is so cute. I feel like this is probably the one I'm going to rock today. I'm digging it. I feel like I need a little ray of sunshine today. I love this headband because of the elastic band in the back. It gets a little smaller back there, so I feel like it's going to be maybe a little bit more secure. Ears is poking, child. Ears is poking. But I'm wondering if this is pretty much how you do it. Y'all let me know if I missed something, but this is as big as I can get it. Hair is still half up, half down. So let me bring it down and see if we can do a quick ponytail. So with the last review I did with a curly headband like this one, I tried to put my hair upside down and do the ponytail that way, but it got really heavy. So I'm trying a 2 ponytail method. I'm still perfecting it, but I think it feels a lot more comfortable. Like this up here. Probably just some wefts. It could be bobby pin, but I feel like if there was an extra something there, like a comb on those corners, that'll help secure it for when you want to put it up. That's just my opinion. I'm not big on wig manufacturing. I don't really know how it all really goes. So I'm just gonna bobby pin it and not really complain. But I'm just saying I wish that it was like an extra, there we go, extra comb or something there, so when you want to pull it up, it's like not all doing whatever. But here's my pony. Cute. I really love the yellow. All right, let me turn around so y'all can see the back of this ponytail. I think this is really cute, y'all. Tell me what you think. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much my video for today with this beautiful Luvme Hair headband wig, this curly headband wig. It is all the rave that I expected it to be, honestly, but it's really just so easy to switch it up. I love all these different styles. The headbands are super cute. There were a couple that I didn't even try on, so you'll definitely see me take some pictures with it, maybe go live with it, all that fun stuff. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Jim Rodriguez. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all again super soon for Vlogmas. Don't you miss it. Hit that notifications bell. Don't play yourself, okay? All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.